YouTube University.
Alright everybody, something a little different today. We're going to be unboxing a tool. Well, it's really a stool. We've actually already gotten one of these in my wife's upholstery shop, which we'll show you at the end of this video. Is, you know, she now has it in there right now, mine. So we're going to get her a new one all unboxed here, and we're going to set that up for her. Let's start getting this out of the package and see what we got. This is a Harbor Freight roller style seat. They are about $100 even at Harbor Freight prices. But this is one of the nicest little roll around stools I've ever used. It's got the biker style seat on it. Show you the assembly here. There's the seat. The base. Yeah, that's the footrest. That's the base. Here's the caster. And here is the peg. Now, pretty straightforward here. Okay, get all this plastic off real quick. All right, well, as you see, I got all the packaging off of these things now. So, as far as assembly goes, this is one of the easiest to assemble pieces of furniture I think you'll find. The way I like to do this is put these feet in first so I don't have to flip it around. This is where you'll need the one tool for this assembly. It's a 9/16 wrench. And if you're clumsy like me, you can make this extra challenging. For this build though, this will be the only wrench you need. But these are actually pretty good casters. You just hold your finger like this. And you start your wrench like that. And then once the threads catch, just spin it on home. And there's plenty of room between the caster and the leg for your wrench, so it doesn't get bound up like some things do. This is Harbor Freight. It's a pretty good quality. It is $100. I think $110 what we paid for this. But it is worth the money when it comes to a stool. Okay. Now, the way I like to do this is you clip that on. And I find it easier to put this piece on like this and then send that piece in. Push it down. Now, I'm going to leave the footrest just at the bottom. I don't know where Sarah's going to want this. So, should probably turn the lock. There's a gap in the little plastic collar. I was putting the locking screw right in the gap. That doesn't work. And then you put your seat on just like this, and boom, you got your little biker stool. And that's one of the handiest stools because you don't get trapped like you do in little chairs. You can reach around this one. And that's all there is to it for a pretty good little stool from Harbor Freight. I think it's one of my favorite work stools. Well, one thing I got left to do is deliver this. So let's get it down. And you know, being a rolling chair, there's only one way to deliver these. Rolls good. Long distance to the upholstery shop. All right, well, I brought Sarah her new stool in here.
Hi guys. He's having to make me a new one because I stole his.
Yeah, I told him he took it, and it wasn't our first one. But we really do like these stools.
So they kind of sit right. They're ergonomic.
And there's no wobble at all.
The bad part about it is there's only one way to sit on it. It's got a railing for my short legs.
Now, I alluded to the last video about the upholstery shop. It's not a big one. And right now, as you can see, she's working on a dash, which is going to be on an upcoming video.
So this was what year model?
2001 Dodge.
So they were notorious for breaking up. And well, we kind of let it go beyond.
I ignored it way longer than I should have.
Anyhow, long story short, I'm trying to piece it enough together that we can put a cap on it.
Well, it's actually a full dash, but we have to piece the structure together to attach the dash to something.
So my question is, anybody know how to glue together UV
degraded
plastic? Because it feels like the stuff is melting the plastic rather than I'm using super glue. If you got any other ideas, please let me know.
Yeah, we are intending to use fiberglass and everything to reinforce it. But first, she has
to hold it together.
She has to get the structure together long enough to put the glass on it. But anyway, after she gets this done, this is going to be the upholstery shop where she reupholsters the vehicle seats. Yep. As you've seen, we have several vehicles that could probably use it.
Yep, that's going to be fun. Learning how to do that. Never put upholstery together before. YouTube University.
There you go. Not a long one today, but I just wanted to show you this new stool because these are our favorite work stools.
Yep.
And Harbor Freight special, but they're pretty special. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll have more adventures in this room too.
Hope you all had a happy new year.